Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you special bonus chapter, part 1, Her Moonlight. So here it is. Let's read the story. Right now, Go Singing said, the clothes are changed. How is it? Now she was asking Fushiyu. But Fushiyu said to her, well, it is so beautiful. Thanks for the temple fair tonight. Senior sister is thin-skinned, and usually it's so embarrassed to go on haifu. Xiaoyu, sister, let me dress you up. Now she was combing her hair. In accent time, it was really beautiful. After combing, well, then Xiaoyu must give me a hairstyle up suitable for marriage. Well, definitely Fushiyu. She was really blushing, and she was really enjoying. I said to her, I am excited. Look at me. Oh, this girl. She is getting tricky. 20 minutes later on. Senior, how about my craftsmanship? Did you like it? Well, definitely. She really like it. Right now, Goose singing. She moved closer to Fushiyu. Fushiyu, she becomes speechless. She was only staring at hers. I'm satisfied. I'm so satisfied that I want to marry Xiaoyu right now. Oh, if you're not really getting shy about this, but suddenly Xiaoyu right now, her face is really turning red. Now she's been down by Gu singing. Now, Fushiyu, she was staring at Gu singing, probably waiting for her and what she's going to do on hers. Well, definitely, she's going to tease her so much. That's better. Let's go first. Fushiyu said to Gu singing. Oh, this girl, did she really knows a lot? In the bridal chamber, Fushiyu said to Gu singing. Well, definitely, one of them is going to trick each other. It was a bridal chamber. Work hard to serve her. Well, let's see on what's gonna happen next. We know that it was Gu singing who always dominates her. Now, it really makes sense. She's been tied up. Oh, for my husband, I want to see it. Well, her endearing is really cute, right? How can the lady please me? Fushiyu said to Gu singing. Well, it really makes sense. Fushiyu, right now, is trying to provoke her. But of course, Gu singing. She is really smart person. She knows that Fushiyu is intentional. Now, it really makes sense. She moved closer to Fushiyu. Fushiyu, she was really blushing about this, even though right now, she's trying to coax her. Well, pursuing is a must, right? Now, she was holding the head fort, and it looked like she looks really uncomfortable. Well, Gu singing. Oh, it is wrong to call me lady, Gu singing said to her. Well, definitely, she wanted to show her that she is being a dominant. Well, of course, she really needs to follow her orders. It was nighttime. On the Lantern Festival, let's see on what's gonna happen. It seems that it was Fushiyu who asked her to come in this. Welcome to our town temple fair. How is it? It is look good. Now, looking at Fushiyu, she is really energetic and said to her, good. It was good looking. Well, of course, she need to praise her girlfriend. Let's go to the river lights. Fushiyu is asking Gu singing. Well, they really look cute. Also, the two of them are really good looking people. Well, let's see on what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for joining membership. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I hope everyone is fine and well today. Thank you. Bye.